In last video, we understood when we should prefer locks over synchronization in multi-threading, right? There, we have created two different threads, right? And both threads were trying to execute the increment v1 method, right? Where we have used the locks. So this was the increment v1 method whose reference we had taken in the last video, okay? So here, what we studied that the other thread was not able to acquire lock because the sleep timing was 15 seconds, right? And for try lock method, we have specified the time as 1 second, right? So within 1 second, thread was not able to acquire the lock because the other thread which got the lock was sleeping for 15 seconds, right? So here, what I have done, I have updated the try lock time from 1 second to 5 second, right? The try lock timing. And I have reduced the sleep time from 15 seconds to 1 second, okay? Even if I execute this code, you will see that the only one thread will be able to execute this increment v1 method. The other thread won't be able to acquire lock and won't be able to execute this increment v1 method. Why the second thread is not able to acquire the lock on increment v1 method, or basically not able to increase the count value, okay? I leave this question on you. You analyze or you see the code snippet and tell me what's the issue, okay? And why the other thread is not able to acquire the lock even if we have reduced the sleep time, okay? And increase that try lock time, right, to 5 seconds. So increasing try lock timing to 5 seconds means the other thread will wait for 5 seconds to acquire the lock, right? And I'm assuming the other portion of code will take 1 more second to execute, right? So max to max 2 seconds, okay? And your waiting period is 5 seconds. Still your second thread is not able to acquire the lock. What's the reason?